Coming up in this video, how to forward your domain using Godaddy. Welcome to WebHelp US's tutorial on forwarding your domain using Godaddy. Forwarding allows you to redirect a domain to another. It can be a domain to your website or to a completely different website. I forwarded vinnyheber.com to my LinkedIn profile. Today, we're going to forward the domain webhelptutorials.com to the tutorials page at webhelpus.com/tutorials. Right now, webhelptutorials.com only points to the Godaddy parking page. To begin with, we need to head over to Godaddy by typing in godaddy.com in the URL bar on our browser. In the bar at the top of the page, we will choose Sign In, and in the fields we'll type in our username or customer number and password. Once logged in, click on the green Launch button in the same row as Domains, and then find the domain you want to forward and click on it. One thing to note is that your name servers have to be on the default Godaddy servers for the forwarding to work. If your name servers are pointed to another hosting, you'll need to click on Manage and then select Standard. Since my name servers are correct, we can continue. Under the forwarding option, we'll choose Manage and then click on the green button Add Forwarding. Now let's get the URL we want this domain to forward to. I'm going to go to webhelpus.com and then select the Tutorials menu option. In the URL bar, I'm going to copy the URL by selecting it, right-clicking, and choosing Copy, or you can do Control-C. And in the input box, I'll again right-click and choose Paste, or Control-V. At the beginning of our URL, there is an HTTPS. The S means this domain uses a secure socket layer, or an SSL, to connect to the internet. This simply means that data transferred is encrypted. You can tell websites that use an SSL certificate by the green padlock next to the domain. Godaddy uses one, and so does WebHelp US. So in this drop-down box, we'll select the HTTPS option, and we'll also remove everything before the domain in the input box. The next set of options are the redirect type. This lets things like search engines know if this move is temporary or permanent. For us, this will be permanent. Under forward settings, we also have two options. We have forward only and forward with masking. Forward with masking hides what domain we are forwarding to. So in this case, if I were to choose forward with masking and then type in webhelptutorials.com, even though we're pointing to webhelpus.com/tutorials, it would remain as webhelptutorials.com. We're not going to mask our domain, so we'll leave it at forward only. Finally, we'll leave the next box checked that says update my name servers and DNS settings to support this change. And then we'll click Add. Our forwarding is there, so we'll need to click Save for it to go in effect, which will take us to the domain details page. You won't be able to see that we've added a forward until after we click on the button to refresh the page. Now, forwarding does not happen instantly. In our case, it took a few hours, but it can take upwards to 48 hours to propagate. Once it does, you'll be able to type in your domain and watch it forward to the new location. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. You can also contact us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and on LinkedIn. You can see more information on this and other videos at webhelpus.com.